So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 83,990. Sorry, $84,000. It just changed. And overall, Bitcoin is doing what we were expecting. It is making attempts towards $85,000. In previous 12 hours, it has made multiple attempts, 84,747. It is making over and over and over again attempts for the area of 85. But there is nothing surprising over there. I told you that $81,500 is the support. I mean, I'm making a Bitcoin video every day, so you can pretty much go and fucking watch those videos and see what we talked about. It goes towards 81,500. It goes to it multiple times, and then it makes attempts towards $85,000. You can literally see that this shit is ranging right now in this area. And until and unless we don't spend 2 days above $85,000, which is 2 daily closing of candles with their bodies above $85,000, we cannot expect Bitcoin to be on an upward journey towards $90,000. If we talk about just making attempts, we have seen Bitcoin making multiple attempts towards 88,500, 88,700. We have seen those attempts, but the thing is that when you don't have 2 daily closing above 85, it is always a weaker attempt, and that's why it's missing out on 90K over and over again. Other than that, I don't think that there is anything bearish with Bitcoin. The only thing that I'm seeing right now is kind of a making of a good structure. If we look at it, if it goes to this neckline of 88,500, which is rather a thin neckline. Let me see if I want to use that one or not. Actually, I would rather use 87,000. Yeah, this is a wick. I would stick to the candle body. So you have one bottom. If it goes up towards $87,000, it will have another bottom, and then $87,000 would be kind of a confirmation area. If it closes 2 4-hour candles, this is on 4-hour, then this will further confirm that we'll shoot up towards $90,000 without a problem. So right now, I mean, this is in the making, so you need to understand that we are yet to complete this. We have one bottom. The second bottom is missing, so it's a half-assed cooked thing. Anyway, other than that, I don't think there is anything else for me to add. It's still same old, same old. If it goes and conquers the area of 85, it will break out of this downward trend as well, something I told you about yesterday as well. If it breaks above $85,000, lives above it, it will break out of this downward trend right now, which is it is struggling with, and then we will see an upward journey towards $90,000, and hopefully it will conquer back this red line. Once it conquers 90K, and then we will start our upward journey again. We'll be back above this area. All this is useless until we conquer 85K. Once we do, after that we can start the upward journey discussion. At this stage, if there is no 85, there is no point of talking about it. But if you see Bitcoin living above $85,000 for more than 2 days, it's confirmed. If you are in a bit of rush, you can use the 8 hours concept. 2 4-hour candles above 85 will further confirm first 87, that neckline I showed you, then 90K. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.